Right. Let's turn this way. This way? Okay, that way. These are the peppers. Yeah, that's it. I have to say. That saying has to be said on the internet. Hi guys, how's everyone? Well, go on, hope you're alright. Anyways, when they finish off the phone, because I'm sitting here having my dinner, my aunt gets on the phone, her over there, gets on the phone with my grandmother, her mother, and she just said a Jamaican saying that I never heard before. Yeah, I need her to repeat it because I never heard that saying before. What you say now? Hold up, wait.
Alright. Belly side and go up and come down. I'm out and move. So, we alright.
You ever heard that? Our belly side go up and come down and our mouth move, so she alright. I never heard that before in all my life. That's the first time I've heard them say that one. Never. Look up my door, mommy. It's in the get hot out the window.
I know better than the John shop.
Me know that I want it, but no better than the John shop. Me know that I want it. Me hear that one plenty of times. But you ever heard that one before? I first me hear it. My belly side I move up and down.
No, belly side I go up.
Oh, so just down. Belly side I go up and come down.
I'm out and
I'm out and move.
move.
So me alright. So me alright. Belly side I go up and down. I'm out and move. So me alright. Yo. I swear. Let me all know if you heard that before. But yeah, I just got home from work.
Yeah, yawn. And the tip, we want to keep her hungry, me hungry.
Hold on, wait. But y'all gotta come into frame though because and that's mommy over there. So I'll hear about dishing out some. Mama, what did I tell you? You gotta start putting on bras and clothes and stuff because I'm gonna be recording all the time. You gotta put on clothes, or else you gonna go where you go. I have dinner today is some ackee sawfish. I came home.
And 2 pieces of rice.
And I have 2 pieces of rice. I came home and it was already made. That's the pleasures of when she's back. I don't have to cook all the time, and I'm gonna enjoy it because work is tiring. Y'all need to start subscribing to this dang channel so I could go to the work less and work on YouTube more. Start subscribing to the channel, liking the videos.
So you must me like and subscribe.
Yeah, you're number 1 commenter. Number 1 commenter right here, sir. Number 1 commenter. As a video that we post, I swear to you, especially when we do shorts video, the video not me not say post publish. And Jai already a comment. He might work faster than YouTube, which me appreciate because you know what? Every comment, every like, every share, it helps. It helps, so me appreciate it. Share work hard on YouTube. Me will say post, and as soon as me say post,
gone.
Comment from Jai every single time. Never fail. Every time.
No, you only subscribe one time.
Yeah, you only subscribe one time, but every time you post, every time I post a video, you're supposed to like the video and comment. Yes, and I appreciate it 100%. I do appreciate it 100%. You commenting on the video, it helps. Because when you comment YouTube, say, okay, people are watching and I comment, let me push it to other people and stuff like that. So yeah. It's getting up there. It's getting up there, and I appreciate every single person.
Yeah, there's 700.
781.
One, come on, you see them? Because our last night, because I did 780 when me I watched the.
Yeah, and this morning I think one come on. We go up on the like one will come on and then one drop off and then one come on.
Me go back and see it no way to it.
So you need to turn on your post notifications. Anytime you post, you see it. It pop up on your phone and tells them you post. You can post notification on it for you. Yeah, so we now
squeeze the side out, Philly. Squeeze the side. Oh, your people. Please know me, you know why.
Probably too much sitting funny.
You were?
No, I know it's not. I'm looking at the things right here. This one's already corroded. It's gone. Look, I need a new battery. Put the battery in my clothes to bring upstairs. Sunday.
Washing at the machine.
Sunday. Took the clothes off, put it in a dirty clothes basket. Forgot to take the gosh darn it battery out. Now I need a new battery. It's a good thing I have more than one. So now I'm gonna need a new battery for my thing. You could see the corrosion on it.
May I hang up the
on this one right here? You can see it.
May I hang up?
That's not going on there. Yeah, that's done.
May I hang up the clothes and me feel it. May I open a flashy out. He said he licked me from my foot up. Me said,
I think I bought this one at Best Buy or something. Yeah, for the camera. For the battery for the camera, but I think we buy from Best Buy, so I go order or order from Amazon, cause they don't last long anymore. So I need extra battery, so I have to order another one. Cause for you know it, this one's gonna say it's dying. So sitting out here, we're not doing nothing. But I figured I'd pick up the camera because I know what's gonna happen. The weekend's gonna come, and then I'm like, oh, I didn't record anything. And then what am I gonna post? And in order just for me to keep getting subscribers, I have to keep posting. So yeah, so we're not doing nothing. I think Mommy's about to do dry hair. So yeah.
Some of them can who have so much subscribers.
Because some of them do it long time. Some of them do it permanently. That's their job. Some people do it permanently. Peppers my friend gave me. Hey guys, these are the peppers my friend gave me. I think I put a little clip in the last video. This is parsley. I need to separate this out. There's some thyme that he gave me, more peppers, and the tomatoes that he gave, and the lavender that he gave, my blueberries, and my raspberries. There's a raspberry there and the 2 blueberries over here. And that's a little garden update. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see that? Hold on. There we go. Do you guys see that? But yeah, that's a little mini garden update. That's how, oh, let me show you guys the strawberries. Strawberries, them here. From the other day to today, them look goody, man. I'm gonna go on with something. But that's it in the garden so far. That's it. And the pool is still covered down. We haven't taken it off yet. We need to get it all cleaned up and shocked and all the things. I need to do all the things. See, all these, I can't afford all this to get in there because so far the water was still looking clear the other day. He got it all tied down. So far it looks like it survived winter. The pool's still standing. Let me back up. The pool is still standing, guys. The pool's still there. So this is all obviously we're gonna clean it off. I feel like we need to let out some of the water. Yeah, I feel like we might have to let out some of the water just a little bit and get the pump going, get the shock in it, open it up. Our biggest problem is all these trees. So we technically have to keep it closed most of the time because, you know, as you see, look on top. The all this stuff from all the trees in the dang yard is gonna make the pool water terrible. We need to find another type solution for it for this coming summer and this spring, so that we can keep it open so the water could get hot, because the water be so cold. But we need to figure out a way to get this water warm. As you see, again, the trees, so we have to start opening it up now when it's very hot, so that for the next consecutive couple of months the water gets, you know, at least a little bit warm, because it'll be cold. Them kids still get in there though. But yeah, the pool survived winter. Yay. All right. And it's me in my Bob Marley t-shirt. I just ate some stew peas. I bought this Bob Marley t-shirt when we were coming back from Jamaica in January. Yeah, I always buy a Bob Marley t-shirt when I'm coming back from Jamaica. Every year. No, not every year. Every time that I go, I always make sure I buy a Bob Marley t-shirt. But yeah, so that's today. I'm at the hair show.
Please tell her you will not put beads in her hair.
But it's Fulani here. It always has beads.
No, Mama, but you're like 70.
The beads are gonna aggravate her though. It's gonna be heavy.
So yeah, so no.
Y'all are haters. They're being haters. Hi guys. I'm getting my. You have this. I'm talking to her like I'm talking to my phone.
You have the gel, right? She said she could do a design in the front of you.
Okay. So I'm getting my hair done, and so we're at the beauty supply store. And when you live in the hood, you get options. Do you see the beauty supply store? And this one's getting her hair done too. But they're hating on me because she's said I'm too old. Oh, Terrence wanted one of these. You should buy one of these for Terrence. The thing to make his hair top curly. You're a hater. One of these things.
My baby.
All right, let's go see. Do you think this hair color is good?
Yes, it's fine.
One of these things.
No, I don't support this hair journey.
You're a hater. Let me see if I find a different hair color. Okay, hold on. This is a lot. This is the hair that I'm getting. Let me show you what my hair looks like. That's what my hair looks like at the moment. So, I'm trying to see. Hi guys. How's everyone? Hope everyone's doing good. Today, it's a new day. And my niece decided to do hair again, so I'm getting my hair done. So, but I don't want to bleach or dye my hair. I just want to put a quick color. But I feel like this is kind of light. Anyways, let me find that. Should I grab my camera? We're not going in Dollar Tree, or at least I don't think I'm going into Dollar Tree. We're going to this Vietnamese place out here, and there she go walking, and she's walking, and she's walking. Huh? I can't hear you. Y'all know that. I'm already half deaf. This is the place we always get that vermicelli from, so we're about to go there again. So. I'm not recording you trying to see the menu. And she's walking again. Yes. What? I'm your paparazzi. I'm your paparazzi. Oh, we have to have some pink ones of those at work. I'm definitely gonna buy that with my birthday money. Thank you. The New Balances. There's some pink one I have at work. What? Girl, I had them before you. What are you talking about? Are you mad?
Are you?
Oh, let me get some batteries for some AAA batteries for grandma for the remote.
Now they want to get all the different.
I'll get something to drink.
They're not full. None of that.
Girl, what are you doing? You go check the craft aisle. It's been so long since we did this. Weeks. Conflicting work schedules. You're a busy person. I'm not sure I made me the thing for my Kindle. But the only problem with it is she made it Jamaica colors, but I want
Let's tell her that.
bright colors. I'm going to. Oh, you know, I'm so mad because I spent my money buying all these scissors, and then the Dollar Tree started carrying them.
All right, thank you. Starbucks is nice. Let's do Starbucks. Don't.
Oh, look, 80s baby.
Come on, girl.
80s baby.
Girl, you know you was born in the 50s.
You're a hater, I swear.
We're gonna take a walk. She said 15 minutes, so pay for this one.
You go by yourself. I'm gonna go sit in the car, send this money. You know what the funny thing is? I can't even stop at the mall either way.
Why?
Because
I can't.
I didn't bring cash. Now she has our food. I got this Red Bull from Dollar Tree. And one of the craft supply, because you know we gotta get the crafty. Yeah. I'm back with my in the car lunch buddy. I showed y'all before, we got Vietnamese food. I gotta put y'all down to show what I got. Oh, that is huge. She has this. This is probably gonna be lunch tomorrow. Take mine out so I can put it. I'll pause. And this is mine. I've shown you guys this before. This is mine. I'm about to put all the sauces on it and eat and go watch YouTube. So yeah, this is lunch. Me and my lunch buddy, and she buys
Every single time.
Yeah, I drive, she buys. Oh, hon. Now I have this one with me, and we're at the mall to do a return for Tyra. And I guess see if they want something. I left my birthday money at home, so you need to forget. I told her this morning to pick up your money.
No, it's in the car. You said you can't make no stops.
Well, this is the one stop, H&M. So yeah, so I forgot my money, so I can't buy nothing either. I was gonna buy from my birthday money, which is at home. So yeah, so it's a quick stop to do a return at H&M in 5 seconds. This is how I went on the road. Don't mind all my clothes. It's my H&M dress. Isn't she cute? Isn't she cute? My H&M dress. And I just went to H&M. Hold up. Let me show y'all what I got. I told you I went to do the return for Tyra. So this is, I got this t-shirt for work. Don't mind my suitcase. It's still packed from Jamaica. This t-shirt for work. And this t-shirt for work. But anyways, now I need to change and get some dye in this here so that my niece could come and do it. It's crazy, I know. But let's go. Ruining my video.
I don't want to be in the video. I told you this.
You're not in my video. It's about me.
If I'm supposed to rub it in your hair, how the heck am I not going to be in a video?
I forgot you're that short. Let me go lower. Okay, anyway.
JJ's coming soon.
She about to put this dye in my hair.
I know, right? To the whole damn world. And it's still going to show me.
You'll be out of it in a second. I just want to make sure that I get myself. I'll edit you out. See that? There's too much sun. We need like a little sunshade here.
Huh?
Anyways.
You said it's not something.
Anyways, she about to put this dye in my hair. Come on. I'll turn off the camera. Jesus. They're all haters. Now let me take this nasty thing. But give him Terrence to eat. No, but tell Terrence the only reason you gave it to him is because.
No, I'm gonna eat them. It's just like, damn. Why is your hair wet?
I just stamped it a little bit. It was very dry.
My God, why do you even dye it? Just rub it all in. Put it on top. Oh. Oh, girl.
What happened?
I don't know. Had his color gone, but
It's okay.
look at it.
Girl, make sure you spreading it out.
I am.
Don't mess up your clothes. Why don't you put the rest in the freezer? It's actually not bad. What's wrong with it? It's actually not bad. It's very chocolatey.
Yes, triple chocolate swirl. Just put it and then use both hands to rub.
I mean, you can't just put it all in one spot.
That's what I'm combing it through.
Maybe it's just more about to kind of match the braid or even just hide the. It's not even about properly matching it actually. Was it too red?
Too purple.
Purple?
Can I see your TV? Excuse me.
Hmm?
Can I see your TV?
No.
Yes.
Stop the video recording when you do it. That's why I just do it and I'll capture the picture from the video.
I don't think you need no more. Hand sanitizer.
As long as it the hair, the thing.
Yeah, that's why I like the nozzle thing because it gets down to the root. Like this. I don't know. Like your root just goes.
Let's see if my garment's back up. Before I use this money for something else. The text is I know when your garment's down.
That has some seductive parts in this shitting. Oh, maybe I'm just sexualizing them.
The who what now?
In the shirtings. I had Jim frustrated, and he made his friend the whole football thing. Oh, so sad. You have to exercise.
What's her name?
Skinny bitch has to exercise. No, I'm talking, yeah.
You know they still haven't told Christopher about his other siblings?
What?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Stop the recording.
Yeah, see, I begged this girl to do the hair. She not give me a lip. That's how she give me a lip. Lip.
No, I said sure.
You know, put on some clothes.
What's wrong with she's wearing? She's wearing Aldi. Oh, hell no.
She didn't put on bottom. Go change your bottom.
The shorts that she had on were these same blood vessels.
The shirt has a stain on the butt.
She put the worst outfit to change into. Did you see Terrence's inventory of water?
Your father was like, "What did you do to Terrence?" I'm like, "What do you mean? I didn't even see Terrence this morning." He's like, "Oh, because he's been keeping his room clean." I said, "Nothing. I had him clean it." When you do the work, you realize how.
What do you do to Terrence? You parented him?
I was like, "I had him clean it."
That's parent Terrence. He's friend. Terrence said good morning to me.
It's actually good.
He said
It's
nice.
very chocolatey.
Terrence said good morning to me this morning, and I said about. Wow. Go get the thing. She's talking good about you. Okay. Oh, go get the good shoes. What do you mean? I know. What if we were talking shit about you? Yeah. Actually, let me talk shit real quick. What is that inventory of water, Terrence? That's like literally like 3 cases of water. You know how much 3 cases of water? That's about $50 right there.
That's not.
Where's she buying her water from?
Yeah. Essential.
We talked about that. We talked about you. You need to try to drink a bottle of
He
water.
needs a water bottle, maybe a water bottle will
No,
help
you
him.
need to drink all of those. All those waters.
Maybe if he put in a water bottle, and so he doesn't have to. Yeah, maybe a water bottle.
Yeah, what about the Gatorade or Tara bag? How about we do that? Yeah, you transfer the water.
Where's the Gatorade bottle I got you?
They're in the pantry. Transfer your water, like pour it into the Gatorade bottle and bring it upstairs. That way you'll drink it all.
Yeah.
Because that's a lot. We talked about that the other day.
He said okay. How's the headphones broken?
Yes, it is on the other side.
He does everything in them.
Boy, you want the can, boy? The can.
Yeah, I was supposed to stop by the store and get some food to go with that, but
There's rice here. Go ahead, you can boil it.
But yeah, that didn't happen. So yeah, just boil them on the side. Yeah.
Why do we do cut super left?
Should have just bought the clothes from somewhere.
No, with just salt on salt on whatever. Yeah. That,
They had a sale.
to me, it's overpriced. No.
For 2 pieces of clothes.
And it wasn't even like nothing outstanding.
It was black. So that tastes like a nun. It was what? That's even worse. It was what? That Marshalls don't got nothing. I'm not going to the Marshalls right now. All those people there? Oh.
She said it was nothing outstanding. It really wasn't. Because she was looking for something for Phoebe's graduation. So they have stuff, but what she was looking for, they didn't have. And she saw some of the TJ Maxx, but there was no tags on it. And the line was long out the cash thingy.
It was beautiful. It was a black strapless dress with like gold buttons and pockets. It was so cute.
But the line was long and it had no tags on it. So that would have been extra 2 hours waiting.
My birthday's in 4 weeks.
Oh, great. Keep coming.
Where those two going?
No.
Yes.
They're going to Aldi.
Oh, why am I FaceTiming you?
She's not go. They're just messing with you. I'm supposed to put this thing and put the cap on my head. Give me my gift. This is my hair dyeing shirt. Don't pay attention to that. That's my hair dyeing shirt. Oh, that way is better. Oh, that's too low. I need to go put this. Let's see. Oh, that's better.
That's Sally.
Let's see, I found a water bottle. Are you a hater? Hater? How was the store now?
I was gonna get sandwich bread, but
I'm recording.
Some of the breads had mold on it.
Oh, it's not even that hot yet. Let me show my cup. Look what Tara just got me from the store. Let me put you guys here. I'll have to raise you guys up. Hold on. Raise you up just a little bit. Put you there. Stay there. Look, it's a planter from Aldi. Look at that. It's a planter from Aldi. It's a big old coffee cup. Well, I'm going to say teacup because I'm a tea drinker now. Or back to drinking tea. But anyways, isn't it so cute? It's a planter.
There's another one that was shaped like something else.
So cute. Now I have to go to Home Depot to get a plant.
Can't deal with this. I forgot I I need to go to Home Depot.
Well, obviously I'm not going right now. I gotta
And I just got it. I need to go to Home Depot.
Oh, for the gift card.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can I send you money for that?
Anyways, so come blow dry my hair. Navian, get up.
To make fresh rice,
Yes.
making that make it up the cooker.
Navian. I didn't put no leave in it or nothing. So you hear me call her? She refused. She not coming. She act like she didn't hear me. Turn. Now, what are you doing your hair for your birthday? What are you doing for your hair for your birthday? You know, the lighter hair that I looked at earlier would have been the lighter hair would have been better than this dark hair. It was two colors. There was a 350 and the burgundy. I should have got the 350. But that's lighter. This more matches this. It's too late now. I already have this one at home, so once I take the braids out, I think I will. She even know who wants spoon. She's separating the hair. We're about to get started at 7 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave y'all soon because I work tomorrow, so I need to go to bed.
God, thank God. Let's get into this hair. It's loud in here. So.
Is there a time limit on this?
No.
She's talking about she gotta get. I gotta get up to go to work too. We both go to work at the same time. 7 a.m.
So it's not the round ligament of the uterus, because that's about right here.
Because you don't like no shoot them up show. So you like.
Yes, I do. That's all you don't think.
She's coming.
I am.
I haven't watched anything on Netflix in forever, so I have no idea what's on Netflix. In all honesty,
Not much.
Ovary, there you go. Found the answer. Got that right. Hey, share. Me's playing with it.
Excuse me, sir.
JJ. That's bad.
No.
JJ, share.
But you don't need to have to come back over here.
You have to bring them back.
Why don't you just bring them? Why don't you just bring them home now? It's getting dark, and then she could wait for you.
My water right there.
Where we at? Girl, let me go look up a slab.
You so shit more.
Oh my God, have mercy! Come out! How about you do that? Come out!
Girl, don't sit on the couch like that.
Something else.
Is he trying to take you here?
Because your way gotta scream.
You love so aggressively.
You can't take us up like this.
He trying to hit the beat. Your stomach is so ashy. Unrealistic with you. Your stomach is so ashy.
Is anybody seeing my stomach?
No, but no, it's white.
It's okay.
No.
Even JJ's laughing.
No.
Even JJ's laughing.
Thank you.
Wait, what a small world.
Erica! What a surprise! Please don't say anything. Hey, so what are you doing here so far away from where you normally are?
I'm here singing. I think what brings you here is way more interesting.
Erica, this is...
I'm Beverly, Jason's fiance. Erica. Thank you.
She and Jason, this is...
We all know each other from New York. Right, yeah, and you know Christian too.
We all used to live in
That's really cool.
We got to know each other from, with the club. Yeah.
Well, you see the juice box in the pantry?
What's that? The boat club. Yeah.
What did I go ahead and get you don't have to find it for Well, it's such a treat that you're here. You know, I never get to meet Jason's friends because you guys are all up in New York, and well, you know we've been so swamped, can't get out of it all. Oh, that's right. You moved to Charleston.
You want to try to do your own?
I was the first person you met when you moved there, right across the hall. Wow, first person, huh? Wasn't that like a year ago? Didn't give you a lot of time to plan a wedding, huh? No, you didn't. But I don't need it. We just wanted to be really intimate. So for me, that's me, my sister Janelle, and Jason's parents and family. But that's it. That's all we need.
That is...
Yeah, what do you like?
Hey,
What are you doing?
why don't you take
Say, minding my business?
And I'll come meet you for cell regeneration time.
Mama.
Right.
Okay, yes, well, so good to meet you.
I can't believe you're here. Like, what did you even...
Amber, there's social media for this resort. They needed a singer.
No wonder I kept getting ads about this place. Wait, what happened with Cree and the album?
Cree scrapped it. Someone leaked one of the tracks and just destroyed the whole thing. Along with my career.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Sorry.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle her feet.
Wait, she doesn't know?
I can't think that they said...
Circles are so nice. Are they fake?
No, she got 3 kids. I don't know. Maybe she had them like, you know, lifted up a little bit, but you could tell those are very natural.
That's footing for a while now, but I still want what's best for
You want bubbles? Find the bubbles. Here's the bubbles. Say good night. Good night.
being in the military wasn't exactly ideal for long-term relationships.
Night night.
I've never had that big.
Are you helping
I
Keela?
don't need it yet.
International world of affairs.
Affairs, yes.
Oh, so nice, mommy.
Thank you.
Good job. High five. Look, high five.
Navion.
I didn't say that.
You talk to the child like
That
that.
was not me. I love you.
His face is down here.
Yeah, they're still out there now. You can start now.
Mwah.
The
Give me a
finished product.
kiss.
Probably show the finished product tomorrow.
Give me a kiss.
With some earrings. They're almost done. They're almost out.
It's hot. Ginger, you're making me hot.
It is not that bad.
That 5 head.
It's not that bad. Mine is more than 5.
Y'all want to see mine?
It is not bad.
That's why I would never get cornrows.
At least your forehead isn't high like
That's
mine.
why I don't
Mine
get
is
cornrows. Yeah, look at Phoebe's.
Okay, girl. Mine is worse. Mia's. Y'all ever look at Mia's?
She don't got a big forehead, okay?
Look
Her
at her.
hairline just start far back.
Mia, her forehead is flat. Her forehead go up and
Sit down and finish the soup.
Tara, that's the color you wanted?
No, this is actually the color I have. FYI.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Well, then you have burgundy then because that's what's on the bag.
That's what's on the thing, but it's incorrect. This is literally the color I have.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. What are you talking about?
what did it say on the thing?
It said burgundy.
Oh.
The thing said burgundy as well. There's a darker shade of burgundy. And this is not it. Miss, I get braids every 2 years.
Oh,
But I'm not.
y'all, it hurts. I can't even crack my back no more.
Literally, look at this. You can't crack it. You can't twist.
One wedding.
It doesn't crack anymore.
I don't mean to sound inconsiderate. Pregnancy is like not amazing.
Good night.
Night night. Today he looks like a J.
Come on here.
I know, girl.
Y'all are fake. Y'all are all fake. JJ. Turn your head on. Let me open the door for you so you can walk home.
No.
Ready? Oh, you ready? Good night. Good night. Okay, thank you. Night night. Bye. Love you. I love you. Go to Mia. Mia's gonna take you. Ready?
You can ease up.
Y'all go water?
Yeah.
Hola. Hola.
Now you up?
Yeah.
What's that name?
Yes, miss.
Sorry.
So,
Where's the towel?
dirty.
Over here.
Don't touch.
Do you know how to do it? Yeah, you have to breathe in and out.
Yeah.
I did not. I want to see it. I want to see.
Let's see the video.
Alright, give it some shake.
Wreck. This is a wreck. What's a balloon in heaven?
Bring the scissors while you at it.
Oh, gee, I can't believe
Damn,
it.
been here so
It's a
long.
water balloon in heaven.
Wasn't that?
Oh, gee, guys, I can't believe it. Water balloon in heaven.
So like September.
Yeah.
Watermelon.
And Joyce.
Watermelon in heaven.
The Joyce.
Yeah. I forgot I did it.
Yeah. Well, I might done too, but then I was like, I'm not gonna ask. And then I told her not to ask, and then she came and asked.
She told Mama to ask me. She didn't ask me.
That's terrible though. That is real terrible. Even after we told her not to, she's still.
Don't mess with the recording. Yeah. Oh, so that's what rec means. Rec means recording. I learned
Yes, you did.
from the word because recording has the word rec in it, and that's
You probably shouldn't put word in it tonight.
so.
Okay.
You could do it this time.
Well, I don't have nobody to put it tonight either way, so I can wait till I come home tomorrow.
Yeah, you could do it
What
tomorrow.
is it?
Maybe in the morning I'll put just a little bit in the itchy parts because I don't want to itch it and then
Yeah, that's fine. You probably shouldn't though, because the steam already touched that scalping. If you put it in the nose.
you know, say in the morning I'll
Right.
you finish.
How do you? Oh yeah.
I just want good. Smell like green. Like this spring.
Yeah, I think I'll put one in your scalp too.
I did already.
Thumbs up.
The whole head.
Thumbs up.
Tried where I needed.
Ooh, go on the floor.
I have another bottle upstairs.
Ooh, curls. What?
No, it's okay. Stop going.
Did you turn it off?
Help! It's
Help.
a scarf.
Help.
Help!
And I'm human again. Tornella, I'm human again. I got my hair. My hair back and forth. My hair back and forth.
Oh my god.
Actually, I think this is the color I had when I transferred to the rack.
Somebody here.
I said I think this is the color. No, was it after?
Come, JJ.
I can easily get it.
Y'all want to walk me and walk you down.
Right. Let's turn this way. This way. Okay, that way. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's the day after I got my hair done. I will give you guys a full look later on. I'm loving it. I feel like my daughter said, you look human, mommy. You look human. So I'm feeling human today. As you know, when us ladies get our hair done, you know, it just brings out extra energy. So anywho's, I'm at work. I just pulled into work. I'll be here for the next 10 hours. And so when I get out of work, I will show you guys my hair. I didn't bring my light with me for this, and it's still I got here first. I'm parked in this little shade spot, so when I get out later, one, I could come have my lunch in my car, and two, when I get older, my car won't be an oven, because you know it's springtime in Jersey and we're finally warming up. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy it. I have no jacket on right now. No jacket. I even have on some crop pants. This is one of the shirts I bought at H&M yesterday. Yes, I did buy them for work. I like this. I like graphic t-shirts, and I'm loving these. I think I might look for some more. But yeah, at work, and I will see you guys in 10 hours where I could show you guys my hair properly. And yeah, hope you guys have a good one, and it should be an easy day for me. A workload have died down, thank God for that, and should be a somewhat easy day. So see you guys later. Have a good one, everybody, and I'll catch you guys in the evening. Peace out and stay blessed. Oh my gosh. So it was the 22nd of April. It was a while ago, but she wasn't here. I was off for like a couple of days, and she was off, so I hadn't seen her for almost like 2 weeks. But hey guys, I made it. Day's over. It is 4:43 and I'm headed home. Been here since 7. So that's what, almost 10 hours. And we do it again tomorrow. So yeah, I am headed home now. And when I get down the hill, I'll show you guys my hair like I promised. It's kind of crazy busy out here. Plus, it's time to go. It's been hours. So let's go home, guys. Let's go home. I'm gonna put y'all away because I'm recording on my camera, and yeah, plus I don't want to record where I work. Nope. So I will see you guys. I love my hair. I really truly do. I really truly do love my hair. She did an amazing job. It was the best thing she ever did was text, who wants their hair done? I was like, me baby, me, and I'm loving this red. Let's take a picture. Come on, part of my business. But yeah, that's the hair, guys. Hair for me, please. Can you record my hair for me, please? I'm gonna come in the sunlight, darling. Yes, I'm